So we start in an accumulation phase, and inside of accumulation, what you're really trying to focus on is two things. Two things. Are you saving the right percentage of your money? It's not the amount here, ladies and gentlemen. It's the percentage. So if you're talking to your grandkids or your kids, or you happen to be a youngster listening to the show, it's the percentage that you're saving. Don't get caught up in what the amount is. And then secondly is, are you building tax diversification along the way? We're going to talk about what that is here in a second. Eventually, you will reach the form or the altitude of preservation. Preservation is the only time average return matters. We'll talk about that in the beginning or in the middle segment. But you've got to be there at the beginning and at the end of the period of time for an average return to matter. But that's the only time average return really does matter. Finally, you'll go into our forte, distribution. That's why it's called Your Life After Work. That's our website. Our focus at FEG for 25 years has been on the complexity of distribution. That's why we're so tax focused. You put it in, great job. How do you get it out?